let's go treasure hunting at the Goodwill Bins. OMG, y'all, look at this brass candelabra. Oh, this is so pretty. That is definitely going on my cart. Also, I found a few little pink dolls for Ren. She loves the dolls with the pink hair. Look at this. Is this a pheasant? Y'all always get this wrong. Pretty sure this is a pheasant. I really like this. It's a planter. Should I leave it as is or should I paint it? I think this will look so pretty, just white with a plant in it. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Check out these hats. Look how fun these are. Look at this flower one right here with the netting and the berries. Oh, that's pretty. I am not gonna get these, but hopefully somebody else comes along that really loves them and wants to rescue them. Here's a little ceramic angel piece, and it looks like this bowl goes on top of it. I actually really love this bowl, but I feel like the two pieces should stay together. So I'm gonna leave it here, but if I come back and this bowl is still here, I can't make any promises. Like, look how pretty this is. Absolutely love it. I'm just not crazy about this part of it. Plus, like, who wants to ship that? It's huge and breakable. Here's a pretty glass piece, but it looks like somebody glued two pieces together because the glue is kind of yellowing. So I think I'm gonna leave that here as well. What is this? Here's some plates. It has like some gold and a flower. It says La Fleur Rouge, made in the USA. I don't know, not really my style. Let's see what else is down here. Ooh, this little bird. He's cute. He does have a chipped wing right there, unfortunately, but I do love the cracked kind of terracotta finish on him. Oh, these are cute. Look at these glasses. There's a ton of them. Look how many of these glasses they have. Let's see. It does say something on the bottom, but I cannot read it. They are cute, but I don't need any glasses like this. Look at this little bed. How precious. It's actually wood. Okay, for sure Ren needs this for the little dolls that I am buying her. And y'all, look, this sitting here for me too. Look at this rusty, crusty little bell. I'm definitely getting both of these. Looks like somebody donated a whole collection of figurines. Definitely not my style. And y'all know I love a good show sitter, but I don't know about this one. What y'all think? Should I rescue this piece? Here's a little clown. He's kind of cute, but he is missing his hand. Okay, exciting news. They're starting to empty the wall because pretty much the rest of the bins is all clothing today. So I did find a few clothing pieces. I found this hat right here. I'm gonna see. I'm very picky about my hats, but I'm gonna see if I like it. It says wife, mom, boss. All true things about me. Oh, this shirt is super cute. It's like a halter top, which is my favorite neckline, and I really like the pattern on it. So try that on when I get home too. And this is just like a Lululemon bag. My daughter really likes these just to use as little tote bags. All right, they got a few furniture pieces here today, but nothing really special. This bin looks like it has some really cool vintage ornaments. Here's some little bells. Ooh, these are metal. Ooh, I really like these. There's two of them. Oh, okay, this one has a little ribbon at the top, and this one doesn't. It must be, oh wait, here it is right here. Awesome, I can just attach that back on. Oh, this is cute. A little hand-painted wooden ornament. Love that one. Oh, I really like these vintage decoupage ornaments. This one says Merry Christmas. I'm not crazy about these sequin ones. Here's a little doily angel. I would love this if it was not covered in glitter. Oh, look, this little sheep right here. Oh, I like him. And here is a little red metal bell. I like this one too. I'm probably gonna get all of these in this pile. This snowman has seen better days. know. I think this one's just a little bit too country for me. Oh, what's this? Oh no, this angel has kind of a weird face. I think I'm just gonna get this pile right here. Here's a whole bin full of lamps. These definitely look like they came out of a hotel. We also have some pretty brass and wood ones. Here's two really big brass ones right here. Really like this one. And then this one is a fruit lamp, although I do like the glossy white ceramic look. Do not care for the fruit. Like I said, they also have lots of clothing today, and I'm not sure why there's this corral bowl just sitting right here in this bin. All right, I'm still just kind of looking around, waiting for them to finish filling that wall so we could go and dig. So if I have time, I do look through the clothing, see if I can find anything for myself, my kids. I did find these shoes right here. These are some boots that should fit Ren in the winter, and I like how they'll be easy for her to slip on and off herself. All right, guys, they have let us come dig. It's not too crowded right now, so I figured I would take y'all with me. These are t-shirts and there's glass wrapped up in there. What are these brass things? Why are the bins so empty? They literally just put this stuff out. That's a color of enamel I have not seen before. Well, that was a bummer. As you can see, a lot of the bins was empty. I did not find much. This is the only thing I found. I'm pretty sure this is like a dustpan thing, but look how rusty and crusty it is. I think that'd be a great little shelf sitter. And I don't know if this is worth much, but it's a little Beatrix Potter little figurine, and I just thought it was really cute, so I grabbed that. And then y'all, I found another one of these Draper James bags. I think this is the third one that I have found at the Goodwill Bins. And that is it for today. I think I'm gonna head out because, as you can see, they're bringing out new carts over there, but it's all been clothing, and the new bins they brought out was kind of empty, so I feel like I'm just gonna head out. It was definitely worth it for the things that I did get. I love this. This piece is amazing. We love a rusty crusty cowbell, and then I got a few things, you know, for my household as well. And then y'all give me y'all opinions on this pheasant. Let me know if I should paint him or just leave him as is. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one.